Tired of unreliable power in the wild or on the road? In this video, discover the top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025. Slight weight, portable, and built for real adventure. Welcome back to the channel. We've hand-picked panels that actually deliver. All links are in the description. Let's get started. The number 5 product on our list is REACELL Foldable Solar Panel. What if your entire campsite could be powered by a single, lightweight, foldable panel? The REACELL Foldable Solar Panel proves it's possible. Part of our top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025 list, this panel blends smart design with real-world utility. With a surprising 23% energy conversion rate, it doesn't just charge, it charges fast. Its wide compatibility means whether you're running a laptop, smartphone, or power station, this panel keeps you ready. What sets it apart, the IP67 waterproofing and durable ETFE coating make it feel tailor-made for unpredictable outdoor adventures. Add an intelligent charging protection, and you've got peace of mind packed into a compact design. It's not the flashiest, but it's smart, steady, and tough. Ideal for campers who want reliable off-grid power without the bulk, this one earns its spot and then some. Number 4 is Intenergy Foldable Solar Panel. What if your next adventure had zero charging anxiety? The Intenergy Foldable Solar Panel is that silent travel companion you didn't know you needed. On our top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025 list, this one stands out for its ultralight build and surprisingly efficient power output. Weighing just under 7 pounds and folding into a compact square, it slips easily into a backpack or RV compartment. But don't let its size fool you. It delivers up to 100 watts with a remarkable 24% conversion efficiency even in low light. The dual USB ports, DC and Type-C outputs make it ideal for charging phones, cameras, and even power stations. Whether you're off-grid or just off the trail, this panel brings peace of mind with every charge. If portability and versatility are top priorities, this one delivers both without compromise. The third one on our list is LMENGER Foldable Solar Panel. Did you know a portable solar panel could outperform your expectations under cloudy skies? The LMENGER Foldable Solar Panel proves that power, convenience, and design can coexist beautifully. From the moment it unfolds, you feel the engineering precision. 4 smooth panels with adjustable kickstands ensure perfect sun alignment every time. Its 200-watt output, driven by high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon cells, offers a stunning 23% conversion rate, making it a standout in our top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025. Built with ETFE lamination and IP65 weather resistance, it thrives in unpredictable outdoor conditions. The magnetic closure, soft silicone handle, and built-in accessory pouch are thoughtful touches that solve real frustrations. Whether you're charging laptops or power stations, its versatile ports cover every scenario. For campers, digital nomads, or weekend wanderers seeking reliability without bulk, this panel earns its place in your gear. It's practical, powerful, and clearly made with real-world use in mind. On number 2 is MHPOWOS Foldable Solar Panel. Have you ever imagined harnessing over 220 watt of solar power with something that folds like a beach towel? The MHPOWOS Foldable Solar Panel makes that possible, turning sunlight into energy with an impressive 23.5% conversion rate. It's one of those rare products that instantly earns a spot in the top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025 because it solves real problems campers and off-grid travelers face. From tangled cables to weak outputs, this panel fixes them with smart design and serious output. The 4 kickstands make setup simple, while its 40-volt input delivers fast charging. But be warned, not every power station can handle it. Built tough with IP67 waterproofing, this panel won't flinch in harsh weather. For anyone tired of unreliable panels that underdeliver, this one's a breath of fresh air. Lightweight, durable, and surprisingly powerful. It's the kind of gear that transforms your outdoor experience with dependable solar confidence. Now moving to the last one is ALLPOWERS Foldable Solar Panel. What if your backpack held a source of power strong enough to revive your gear anywhere under the sun? The ALLPOWERS Foldable Solar Panel turns that idea into a thrilling reality, proving why it deserves a place among the top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025. Weighing just under 5 pounds, it's light but loaded with purpose. Its dual USB and DC outputs give freedom to charge both everyday tech and serious off-grid essentials without lugging bulky batteries. With a conversion rate up to 23.5% and clever eyelet design, this panel makes solar charging intuitive, efficient, and dependable. It's slimmer, faster, and friendlier than older clunky alternatives. Whether you're hiking into the wild or prepping your RV for a weekend escape, this panel fits right in. For anyone seeking reliable power in a sleek fold, this one promises comfort, peace of mind, and real adventure utility. Winner among them, ALLPOWERS stands tall for its balance of efficiency, portability, and reliability. Your smart pick from 2025's finest lineup. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best foldable solar panels 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.